Alright, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be doing advanced modeling using Autodesk Inventor. I've got Inventor opened up, I've got my part opened up. If you look at my part here, it is in millimeters. So I'm going to start by clicking Standard IPT, hit Create. Again, because we're in millimeters, I'm going to go to Tools, Document Settings, and switch my units to millimeters, and hit Apply. I'm going to go back to 3D Model, start a new sketch. I generally click on my XY plane. I'm going to start this part by creating this top half first, and then I will show you how to create a plane to create this bottom half, and I'll finish it off by creating this shape through the bottom. Right? When I look at this part, I see kind of two rectangles, this lower or this smaller rectangle, as well as a rectangle in through here. So I'm going to do it by using rectangle. My top half there, that 24 that's highlighted, is 38. And if I hit tab on the keyboard on the left hand side, my height is 6. I am using the wheel and the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. If you push down on it, it does become a hand, allowing you to move your screen. Right, so I like to center my screen. I'm going to use rectangle now to create this shape. The width is 20. Again, hitting tab, and now I'm looking at my height. Right, my overall, or from the bottom to here, is 32, but this portion is 16, which means this smaller portion in here must be 16 as well. I've got a circle that covers the whole top, so I'm going to let Inventor identify that center. Right, as I move my cursor across that top line, it identifies that center. I've got another circle inside of that. This one is a 6 diameter, making sure that your line is going all the way across, that you are in diameter. I'm going to use the trim tool to trim out this middle. I'm now worried that it's now changed to purple. I know that things were fully constrained before I did my trimming. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, click Extrude. I do now have to select all of my parts, and this piece here is 16. Right, now I'm going to create the bottom half. To do that, I'm going to create a plane right in the middle. In Inventor, across the top here, it says plane. One of them says mid plane. Right, I'm going to grab one side and grab the other. You'll notice that it has now developed a plane directly in the middle. I'm going to do a new sketch on that plane. I'm going to use project geometry just to grab my original shape. Because my rectangle starts in this top left corner, it's identified that bottom number first, so 52. Again, hitting tab on your keyboard. The height is 16. Finish sketch, click Extrude. I need it to go both ways, so I can go left, I can go right, or I can go symmetrically both ways. And my extrusion is 28. Alright, last thing I need to do is develop this cut through the bottom, so I'm going to do a new sketch on the bottom. I'm going to start by freehand drawing it. Then I'll come back with my dimension and add in what I missed. So this width here is 16. From here to here is 6. This bottom opening is 6 as well. And this right hand side is 11. This line here should now move left and right because it's missing that horizontal dimension. I'm going to use a line as a construction line for my center going up, and then simply dimensioning from my center to my right side should be half of 28 or 14. Finish sketch. click on Extrude. I'm going to switch it to Cut. I can drag this all the way through, or click on the option that says Through All and hit OK. I don't like this plane to be visible. On the left hand side here again is our work history. If I right click on that, I can go to visibility and shut that off. And there is part number 5. Thank you.